Hey, this is a starter video, but I'm going to impart some additional knowledge on you real quick. So to try to start your truck to bypass an ignition, you just get you a power to the left bottom pin where the starter relay is, and you can just hook that to a power source like the red wire that goes to the box. That's blue right now because I was testing something else. And that would make it start without using the key. Well, you should put the ignition on. But I thought that might be helpful in case you were having other issues. Your second piece of information is the small wire on your starter. You can find that up here under the brake booster in the harness. It's purple, and you could dig that out in case maybe it's got cooked. And so you just disconnect your battery, and you kind of have to because the starter is directly hooked to it. Alright, passenger side in front of the transmission, you'll find your starter. It's got two long bolts in it that hold it up, so just undo those and let this thing fall on your face. Now if you wanted to, you could do a reach around and undo the wires, but I don't know, I think this, to me this is easier. And just kind of spin this thing and you can see the starter relay, and then you can undo that big wire. I can't remember any of the sizes honestly, but there's a big bolt and a little bolt. The little bolt's 8mm. It actually was getting kind of heavy. I totally understand if you don't want to hold this thing up under the bolts. In case you needed to know, that ground goes on the passenger side frame rail. It's off screen, but I was reconnecting the power wires.